So what's up, Bjorn? We are telling guys just about the laser. What's the laser for? Laser just able to get us our elevations, muscle and elevations. Right? Now we said this particular laser is but 500 foot range. 500 foot, you go 500 foot this way, 500 foot next way. So in all you could cover 1,000 foot.
Yep.
But don't go 1,000 foot in one direction. That'd be a problem, right? Okay. So, but 500 foot is comfortable, right? You can do 500 foot in unless you use a trencher. If you use a trencher, then you don't really need that anyway, right? You put it down, she's not cutting or whatever. That's that. Anyway, so that's that. So now I'm saying a regular laser, when you cut it on, that's gonna be flat, right? The center of the laser, that's flat, right? And you only go, so we talk about the horizontal and the vertical. Horizontal is how far you go from it. Vertical is how much up and down. That's a regular tip. So let's do one with a regular tip. So you want to do this on a regular laser. You set that as what? It'll have elevation on it. It'll have X and Y on your stuff. And actually what percentage. So X and Y, you just want to be a regular laser. You just want to be a regular laser. What X have to be? But yeah, what's the slope?
0.
0. Well, Y gotta be
0.
0. Easy. So once I set a 0, 0, what I'm doing? I could only give you a level. So if you're doing a trench from here and back here, you want it to be level, you have to put in 0 on the machine. If you have 2 and 0 on the machine, guess what happens? It's giving you a slope. So when you come back after you doing, remember now we said you can do 500 foot. Who wants to, after 500 foot, find out that, hey, this is dropping 2%? You gonna find out? No, right? But how much is 500 foot? After, 500 foot, a 2% slope. Let me go. Yeah, 2%. How it works is this. For every 100 is 0.02 times 500. You would drop 10 foot.
10 feet.
After 500 foot if you went 2% slope. Alright? 10 feet. That's a major drop or a minor drop? 2 is a big number or a small number?
Small number.
So a small number, right? Okay.
That percentage.
But if I go 500 foot, I drop how much? 10 foot. Right? Okay, same thing. Because you might say, hey, zero is 0, right? Let's see. Mine not 1%. I have time to switch it up, whatever. I can just run it out 500 foot a day, and it should be still the same thing, right? Yeah, yes or no? No. 500 feet at 1%. 1 is small, right? A small percentage. That's
5 feet.
That's 5 foot. I put 5 foot down, right?
Yeah.
Good. Now 5 foot down might not be major if you're doing a pipe, right? What's supposed to do with somebody's foundation?
Yeah, that's a problem.
That's a problem? That's a big problem. Okay, good. You gotta put 5 foot of concrete. Gotta put it back in.
Yeah.
Who will pay for that?
No.
I know who we pay for that. Alright, so good. So now, the 0, 0 is done. Now, once you get a 0, 0, most times, remember I think it's just that starting point. That's what we're doing. That starting point is the main thing.
Yeah.
You set this up, and Lincoln wants you to run this pipe 4 foot in the ground, 1,000 foot, right? Make sure you straight. All right. So what you want, what you need, you want to this is the ground right here, right?
Yeah.
So put the legs up on top of him. But you want this pipe in the ground 4 feet. Now 4 feet in the ground from the top or the bottom of the pipe. The top of the pipe is 4 foot, or the bottom of the pipe is 4 foot.
Water, you gotta know. That's it. Yeah.
Dion, I want this pipe 4 foot in the ground. Take this stretch for me.
Yeah. The top,
So,
the top
the top of the pipe.
Yeah, the top of the pipe.
Is 4 foot in the ground. I want a pipe
4
in the ground,
4 foot.
4 foot, whatever it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the top of the pipe right here,
Yeah.
right? So
Yeah.
that's 4 foot. So you can set the laser at 4 foot and go. That makes sense? That's what you do.
You gotta check the size of the pipe.
You gotta take the size of the pipe. Why?
That's how you can get the extra on so you can get your 4 foot at the top.
Because you want to get to the, where you trying to get to?
4
4
feet.
No, you got 4 foot.
You
You
got
got
back-
4 foot.
yeah.
But what else you need to do?
I'll get to the ground.
You trying to get to the flipping bottom of the
Bottom of the
bench?
pipe,
Yes or
Get
no?
to the ground, yeah.
Good. But no, listen, ground here. But you trade to 4. I want this pipe 4 foot in the ground. I mean, I want 4 foot of cover.
Alright,
On
over
top
the
of the
pipe,
pipe.
over the
Over the
pipe.
pipe.
So you really got to go to the
So
bottom.
now, I have my laser level. I can set at 4 and go.
No,
No, you
No.
have that
4, 8, or 4, 6.
4. Yeah.
Whatever size.
What the next question is?
What size the pipe?
What size flipping pipe you put in the
Yeah.
ground, King?
Yeah.
Huh?
4, 6,
What size
4,
pipe?
8.
Yeah.
I put in a 12-inch pipe in the ground.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Alright? That's what?
5
5 feet.
That's
Yeah.
a foot.
5 foot.
Yeah.
So now you're gonna set this stuff at laser level at 5 foot, right?
5 foot, yeah.
Right.
Incorrect.
No.
Yeah. What? Why you put your pipe at 5 foot?
No, because you need space for
You need
for
bedding.
bedding, yeah.
You need bedding. Use bed. Your bed. Your pipe. But
Yeah.
just put it on the ground.
No, yeah, you need
Huh?
bedding.
Yeah.
You need bedding, right?
Right.
How much bedding you want to use?
Okay.
6 inches.
6 inches. 3 foot bed.
Yeah.
You want 3 foot bed?
No, you don't want 3
No,
foot
you
bed.
want 3 foot bed, right?
No, yeah.
You want 6 inches to a foot.
Yeah, right.
It's manageable.
Mhm.
You do a foot because the terrain is.
Yeah.
You can't go in. You ain't going
No,
down
no,
until you
no.
get
No.
6 foot.
Yeah.
Yeah, you ain't get that.
I get 6 foot. Yeah.
Yeah.
No. Whatever. You go 1 foot.
1 foot,
You
yeah.
might get a foot and a half, whatever, because
Yeah.
you put it on bed.
Yeah.
Put someone
Yeah,
on
yeah.
the door, whatever.
Yeah.
It's a problem, right?
Mm.
Yeah.
So you do what you gotta do. So now, you have to take into consideration the size of the pipe. You got a pipe diameter, EIA,
Mm.
and then you gotta put in the bedding,
Then,
right?
What you putting on top of that?
Right? That's it.
Mhm.
Now you have 4 plus 1
mm.
Plus 1.
plus 1,
Yeah.
right? Because you say we put it up for the foot,
Right,
right?
right.
So now, if he say he want you to put this foot 4 foot in the ground, you gotta dig
6
6
foot.
foot.
6 foot,
Mm.
right? Right? So it's in. So what I have to do with this machine? That calculation I have to do with this machine.
So actually 6 miles.
Right? Your 6 have to be,
Yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
But this calculation, we didn't have nothing to do with that machine, right?
No.
Yes or no?
You know, that-
You got out of this house.
Yeah.
You just can't say, but hey, he say put it 4 foot in the ground, so I can just put it at 4 and that's that.
Yeah.
Right? Good. Great. Right? So that's the main thing. So once you understand, hey, look here, if I put it 4 foot in the ground, 3 foot in the ground, what you have to take into consideration is the pipe size and the bedding. Alright? That's important. Alright? Good. That's just construction 101. That ain't laser work.
Yeah.
That's just construction 101.
Yeah.
Right? Good. So now we clear with that. So now we got to come here and put this thing 6 foot in the ground. The first thing we need to find out is what? What do you need to find out with this laser? Once you set the laser up, what do you need to find out?
See what level.
How high? Well, you know he level. He'll do level because they tell you this is self leveling.
This is level.
Self leveling meaning you even knock it or whatever,
Yeah.
it'll be level.
Yeah.
That's good, right? Good. But the next thing you need to do now is how I can get this on this thing. How I can get it?
The height, let's say.
Yeah, I get it. How?
Use this.
Yeah, okay. So let's go. So what I'll cut it on right now. Cut it on right now. I'm gonna dig. Put this pipe in for Lincoln. 6 foot deep. Grind deep. We doing it. We can cut. We gonna bust through this concrete.
Right here.
Right here.
I know. Hey, demand it.
Boy, and then when they come in here, they say, hey, Julian, hey, take your time to do it, right? Don't rush it. 'Cause we have all time to do it, right? That's how it be.
No.
Huh? What do you do?
You want it now?
Right now. Huh? Yes or no? And hurry up. Let's better be straight. Good. Good. All right, good. So come on, Dion. Let's go. Turn around my hair.
Huh?
Turn on. Let's go, man. We have to dig this thing. The boss want this thing on. This thing cut. At lunchtime. Lunchtime. You want at least to be 200 foot. That's all right. So what do you want? You turn on? How you turn on? Press the power button, the green button, right?
Yeah.
That make sense? All right, good. So now it's doing this stuff, right? Trying to level out with whatever, or not. Now while doing this, you see it have a what? X and a Y.
Right.
X and a Y, remember? X is
Height.
Height.
for now,
Why
left and right.
Why is
Right,
that?
right, yeah.
Why is that?
Yeah, but Y is
Height.
right, up and down.
Uh-huh.
X is
Oh, yeah.
that's right. So if you think about that, now the machine has a face. It shows you that, hey, look here. From here, this is the face. This is the front face.
Right.
You like that? All this stuff. Why is the front face and stuff? That's where all the information is. All right? And it's telling you that, hey, this is the face, and this about X is positive here, and Y, and X is negative this way. What I mean?
So you can
That's
sell it.
going up, no, it's going down.
Correct. So this way for your X, this way is positive, this way is
Negative.
meaning if you want to cut something and it go down this way, that's that. If you have a pipe right here, and you want it to go from here to there, what you gotta do?
You gotta,
Either turn this flipping thing around, bring this way,
Right.
or put in a negative value for
Yeah.
X.
Right.
Because now you put a negative value, then you say, well, hey, I know this way is supposed to be there, but if I put a negative, it'll go that way.
It'll go that way.
All right, yes or no? Yeah.
Right.
Because regularly, this way, it's saying X this way is positive, and X this way is negative. This way. Hold this. This is also our Y. You know, okay. This have a Y. See on this side? Come here, come here. This is the Y face. On this side.
oh, it's two different.
Two,
Yeah,
guys,
two
there's a dual laser.
Dual laser,
No,
yeah.
no, you want that more. That's all. You come, let's switch up.
So you can see it.
So come see it.
I'm running right as well as you.
So the Y face is right here. A Y face again, it says negative here and positive here. Keep that like this, right? You all understand this. If I facing this thing, if I facing that stuff, right? Which way the X can go?
If you facing what?
If you facing this way, the facing, because when you turn it on, at the front,
Yeah,
automatically, that stuff can go like this.
yeah,
Yes or no?
yeah,
It's positive,
that's
it's
negative.
negative.
Correct,
Negative.
Right.
Five here.
Don't worry about negative 5, don't worry about none of that. That's in general.
yeah,
In general, cut this on. You put a value inside here,
yeah,
it can go like this.
yeah,
If you put a 0, it can be like what?
straight.
Like this.
Yeah.
Right? No matter what you do.
Mhm.
Good. But if you put a value in, 1%, right?
Mhm.
It can go like this.
Yeah,
If you're looking at it, it's going to go like this. If your pipe is supposed to go like flipping this, you can set your laser like this. Why?
Yeah. No, you have to change the value.
You can change the value or turn it flipping around
Yeah.
because that's how it is.
Yeah.
So you change it to negative, so it's supposed to be 1, negative 1,
Right.
and then I'll do like that.
right.
Otherwise, if you have 1 inside here, it go on like this.
Yeah.
Why? Because it tell you in front here is
That's the
Yeah.
face.
face, you facing it,
Yeah.
That's it.
negative,
And positive.
positive, but the X. That's just one plane. Alright? The next plane
The
is this as right, right? The Y. How that work?
Positive, that way.
Positive which way?
This way, facing you.
Right?
So going like that.
Good. So I can keep this right. So yes, at 1%, right?
Mhm.
And I want my positive and negative. Now you see that?
Yeah,
So now I still open this up down
Yeah.
for my
for your X.
For
And you're,
X.
and you're making it for your Y.
and I doing this
For your Y.
for my Y.
Yeah.
So hold this, someone hold it like this. So like that. Just that. Just that, but more like this. Tilt it like that. So where would I need to do some shit like that?
On the roof.
Where? Maybe I have two sets of pipe.
Yeah.
I need to go a pipe,
Yeah.
flip it this way, like that.
No,
I'm on the
crossing
side.
that
I need
way.
another pipe.
You diagonal,
do it this
yeah,
way,
diagonally,
right?
yeah,
And
yeah.
I want to move it. And I'm shooting at 1%, right? But I have to make sure that the pipe is going this way.
Yeah.
Going what?
Going right
Going this way.
Yeah.
Going this way.
Yeah.
Going this way, this way, okay?
Y.
In line with
With
this,
the Y face.
this Y face, okay?
Correct.
Yeah. Good. That's that. For right now, for our team, we do the fucking X, the little Y. Don't do the Y. Alright? Don't do the Y. Don't do the Y. Have you doing
Sorry,
doing
Rebel.
some shit? You not get the crown or all that other shit.
Don't do the Y.
Don't do the Y. Alright? Do the Y, do the Y. Yeah. That's plain and simple.
Yeah.
Why ain't you
I can teach you all the why later on,
Yeah.
another time when it's applicable.
Yeah.
In this instance, it is not applicable.
Gotcha.
Do not put a value. Right?
That's pretty wide.
I don't know how easy I can do it.
Yeah.
So now you just deal with that. It's simple, right? This
Yeah,
easy,
yeah,
right?
yeah. That's right.
You understand?
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
When I go there, if I doing a pipe, if the pipe come in here, and I have to go up here, or if I doing the landfill, right? It's a 2% slope. Where I can set up this machine right now. I doing cell 5, right?
Yeah.
We doing cell 5. I'm linking them. I ain't trying to pick on nobody.
You ain't picking on me, man.
I ain't
Stop
picking
that,
on
man.
nobody.
Dog, man.
Yeah,
Stop that, man.
Let me mark it. It's
Linking them.
Linking them.
Linking them.
Linking them. Want to start cell 5 from here. In the corner is the west, it's the east, it's the north, it's the south, right? We want to start up against here, right? Up against the last cell, and work our way this way, or for the pin this way. It don't matter. But guess what? From the middle of this thing right here, going this way is up.
Slow.
3% slope this way.
3% slope this way.
And from here,
3%.
3%. Now, remember I said the constraint is, you don't want to put this, the best place to put it obviously would be
Center.
in the center.
Yeah.
And then one down there, whatever, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Problem with that is, remember distance.
Right.
That's over 500 foot.
Yeah.
Proverbial ass is grass. It comes into effect, right?
Yeah.
Right? But you want to make sure if you do it 500 foot, get 500 foot start from the back here and go.
I know.
Keep stepping over.
Yeah.
Yeah, then you keep stepping over level by level.
Mhm.
You can set it right here if it's 500 right there. You know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
How you know it's 500 or not? You just know that hey,
Yeah.
it can't be more than 5. You don't want to do it
Right.
more than 500 foot.
Yeah.
Or it's going to be risque
Yeah.
if you do it. But again, even if you do it over, that much, it's still better than doing what? Eyeball it.
Yeah.
Right?
Can't eyeball it, man. Yeah.
It look like a 3%. You know what 3% look like?
No.
I don't know what 3%.
No.
Right? How you know it's gentle or steep? But to say, hey, that's a 3, and a 5, and a
that slope?
For slope.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, he's ahead.
Okay, but what's a 1% slope?
1% slope is barely a run, boy.
No. 1%
Yeah,
slope.
well, depending on the
Very
distance.
steep.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very steep.
Yeah.
As a cliff.
No,
Right.
As a
one run.
slope.
Yeah.
So, well, you kind of 1-to-1. Sorry, you kind of 1-to-1.
One, alright.
Alright? Then you do something like that. So 0.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
that.
And 1, 2, 3, 4. And
Right.
then you go. Okay, more,
Yeah.
more, 10, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me the time. What time is it?
It's 9.
Yeah.
9 what?
10.
Alright, good. So, you set up here. You set up away from where you're working. Or you can set it up in the back here. Away from where you're working. Because you don't want no machines moving around.
Yeah.
And all that other shit, okay? All that stuff. So either here or here. Alright? Put it in the middle, whatever, whatnot. Alright? And then you set that at 3%. Now you at 3%. Most times there's a reference mark. He would say, hey, what's the number? Hey, the starting point is here, and you have to go 2 foot, 2 foot higher. To get whatever, or a 3 foot cut, or 4 foot cut. No, you have to cut. You have to cut. If they cut down 6 foot, whatever, okay? You tell you what to cut down is. Once you do that, with the 0, it says, okay, when you come to these points, here's a cut. So in that instance, say this was with GPS. You come in and say, hey, in order to get this thing here, cut 6 foot, right? Heat up on this thing, minus 6.
Right.
You cut 6 foot to get to your point. Now, how would you get that value on them? So once you say cut at 6 foot, and you know how high this machine is, right? Once you know how high this machine is, then you add the 6 and the value here. How high it is from the actual ground for my sport. Okay?
Right.
So the laser, you just can't put 6 foot on your machine. You can add 6 foot to whatever the machine is from the ground, the actual ground from that temp.
Okay.
And then once you do that, at the 0, 0, you go, you just carry on.
Yeah.
At 3%, you just know that, hey, look here, but at 3% right here, I need to add this right here. But once I do that, I get that 3% right there. It's going to carry me when I do the rest of them. It's going to do that right here, right? But at any point on the stage where I tell me to do stuff, I have to go right here by it, get whatever reading is, say minus 6.2 maybe right there.
Yeah.
And then I shoot here with that, and then say if I read it, I get 3, right? 3 foot, this thing 3 foot off the ground, 3 for that stuff. 6. And then once I add a 2%, it automatically when I come here, you pick up the same thing because it's set for that slope. But without 0, same thing. Once I shoot it here, it's the same, right? Now the other issue is now You have that. And the niggas them do it. What's happened when we put our pennies in the ground?
Knock 'em down.
Charge up much money.
Knock 'em down.
Knock him down. To my pleasure. Right? Good. Appreciate you, John. Do it again. Right? Right, so now, you got a situation like this. You got accounts around me but my bill. You got the machines bigger than the world.
Yeah.
Trying to 3-point maneuver
Yeah.
in a nice space.
Yeah.
And this nigga got this wooden pen. Make sure it's for it. You know steal it.
Yeah.
Wooden pen. You can put it in shaky. Right? Make sure by the time you have time to build this thing, it's not get full. Do your sneeze?
Yeah.
And the flipping thing fall down.
Yeah.
Now what you do? I got this laser.
Yeah.
Laser working. I got a couple of legs of pipe in the ground. What the fuck are you doing? Right, what are you do? How you not? Call me back and say, hey Julian, set up this thing again? No. Like that, man. Larry, you gonna pay for that? No, right? What you gotta do? Set that up. And what do you want to shoot on? Pipe.
Pipe, yeah.
The pipe, the E is supposed to be at 0. It's supposed to be at 3. It's supposed to be at something.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So now, all I gotta do now, after I already came to the initial thing is I started with stuff, right? But I still know, I know where the pipe's going. Right? I guess now, come here, and this is the best part. Shoot it right on top of the pipe. Right on that pipe, but you know, for say we started right here at this point. You know where we started at this point. This point was good.
Yeah, 6 foot. Yeah.
That was 6 foot.
Yeah.
That was, we put the bedding in.
Yeah.
And we put up, boom, right?
Right.
Okay. So we come here on top of the pipe, or on the bedding, or so when we cut the pipe, we cut put in our bedding, and it's usually a little trench we leave. Yeah, right?
Yeah.
That's right, right?
Right.
You can either shoot on top here,
Or you
or come here and shoot right.
Yeah.
Flip in there. Which one you want to do it? Which one you do with that?
I'd rather go down.
I'd rather go right here, right to the end of the pipe.
To the bottom.
That's went to the bottom of the pipe. How much calculation you have to do with this?
Yeah.
0.
Yeah.
All you have to do is put that there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When you do last, right?
Shoot that back over.
Shoot that back over, shoot that back over, right?
Mm-hmm.
And whatever I say, that going up to 0%, 3%,
Yeah,
whatever.
whatever percent.
All you have to make sure, only you have to make sure is the direction that thing pointing. Make sure that going that way, the way you going, or if it's going flipping this way, that way. That's all you need to make sure. After that. That's the hard part. But sometimes they say you go there and you doing what? You jump and do rush.
Yeah.
You rush it, you hurry up, whatever. You can rush the exercise up there. But this part,
Camera stuff.
it take how much hours to set it up?
No, it ain't take no time for that.
Seconds, right?
Yeah.
But because you rush, take your time. It's a 3%. Just that, get you that, and that's that, right? And when you get that, you can go and check. You go to say another 50 foot or whatever, and you put a little mark on around. That fellas going to mark around, and you just from here and here, you can look at it and see if you look at it going up. That's your check, right? Or look at it going down, right? Without, or you come back here, right? But again, same thing. All right, so that's what you do. So once you have it in the ground, you cut it, or you goal it. You just try to get that first spot where these fellas are putting these shaky wooden pins in the ground. Like, yeah, when we got back today, put my cup around me. All right, you got it.
Yeah.
You can look at it. You can look at it.
Yeah.
You ain't need to be the machine. Bring your eyeball, check it out. All right, now let's go. So now we can do it. So now we wrap it up. This is the easy part. This is the last part. Julian say, cut this trench. What?
6 feet.
6 feet. 6 feet. We can bust up this thing. We can bust up the side here, and we can go. Okay. Right. Do let me put one side. This is the pipe, right? This is the line. These engineers, surveyors, drawing on the ground.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
You
Crooked
line
line,
it.
yeah.
Yeah, crooked line. You know that, right? You do that thing. Come this way. And hurry up, do the stuff. I guess someone on the top, they want to go. He got another meeting to go to.
Yeah.
He's supposed to be here from 8 o'clock. He come in 9 o'clock talking shit. All right.
But yeah, we need to go to.
Yeah, we go right. All right. So we say we do it at. What do we say we have it? We have
6 foot.
6 foot, right? 6 foot. We cut it on. Yeah, cut it on. We change the levels, the stuff. Again, it's right there inside a calibrate, all right?
Right.
You try to order the A calibrate, trying to automatically calibrate because I move it.
Trying to get level, yeah.
Try and get level. So wait till I finish, right? So now I gotta run the trench this way. The reason why I come this way, cut the lights off. So you'll see what it look like. Like I said, this way is what? This way is up.
Yeah.
This way is down. I cut the trench this way.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
And we just face it. You face it this way.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So I want to show you all that. So yeah. So now. You see, what you see right there? Look at this. Look at this line. You all see this line in the corner? Come inside. Come right back. How to look at it?
Slant it, yeah.
Slide it this way. Like that, right?
Yeah. That's what you want. That's what you want, right?
Okay, right. So right now, you want to put this pipe in like this. Right?
Yeah.
Now what happened?
Ron
She
11.
going deep, man.
Huh?
She can't opposite way. She
She going
supposed
to
to be
negative
going.
slope, it.
You good one?
A negative slope.
Yeah, she good. But ain't like so.
No,
This way high,
that's what I end up
This
with.
way
Look.
Low, yeah.
I believe you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So she gonna be off a couple percent.
Yeah, but we know the 5% tight but remember now, it ain't level. I'm trying to catch this up.
Right, right.
You're trying to catch up
You
right
gotta
now.
wait, you gotta-
So wait till it gets up. When it gets up, it can start spinning fast, and then we can see what's really going on with it.
Right.
All right.
So we're hoping that when you face it, right, it's like that, right? Otherwise, it's like this, but no camera though. This side's supposed to be
The high side.
high side.
Yeah.
This side's supposed to be the
Low side.
low side. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So it's adjusted. All right. So give me a. So what do? You go in the ground, right? Now what do? You set us there. We cut this on. You wanna cut this on?
Yeah, right there.
Green button?
Yeah. No,
Right.
she on. Yeah.
She on, right?
Yeah.
Press it on, press it off.
Yeah.
Okay. Then, what if I do? Put it on the ground and slide it up to where it needs, okay?
Yeah. You go.
When you have flat line,
That's what I'm saying.
it's still be the calendar.
Yeah, she ain't got it yet.
Right.
It's in Billy does not. I really think 6 foot is the kind of measurement you really need to do on the result. You like 4 foot 1 or something. Now reach up to like 6
Put you in.
No, I'm saying, so I'm trying to do it right now, right? When you cut the trench, you have to put something on it that this can be extra long.
Yeah.
You have to put one that thing. What it is? What is this? One that you get, whatever you read right here, you're gonna add 6 foot onto that.
Yeah.
So say we read it just now, I did right. We get it right here, right? We got it. And there's think about reading.
That's telling you the height of this.
Right? I'm telling you how I had this.
Right, from the ground.
Where you starting from,
Right.
right?
Okay.
Whatever reference
Right.
point. So we know that. Remember I said that this one maybe one of them shaky fingers ones to give you, right?
Yeah.
Right here, say,
Man, leave on.
whatever, right?
Go ahead, go ahead.
He's doing. I mean, I said him.
Yeah.
Extra shaky. And he
Yeah, yeah.
two taps. Two taps. Whatever, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So you go by the pin, and they say, hey, cut 6 foot, right? They cut 6 foot. But you can't get that automatically,
No.
right?
No.
You need to know how high this is.
How high is this place?
And this thing is at 4 point something, right?
Yeah.
So now after that,
You are there.
I add that. Put it there.
That's right.
So now we say, well, hey, this is 4 point. And let's rate it with this last.
Let's say 4-7.
4-7,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
4-7.
So 10 7.
4-7. I'm looking at it now. Look at this thing. This is this mark right here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah. That's a little more than
4-7, right?
Yeah.
And then see this dash in the middle right here?
Yeah.
That's for 5, right? So everything is okay. This is 9.
Yeah.
It's 9. So this 4.9, 4.91, 4.92, 4.93, 5. But look at this 5.
Yeah.
It's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's different measurement. Anyway, this is the middle part. This 4.
That's 9. That's 4.9.5.
Yeah, the 4.9.5 right there.
Right.
All right.
So this before 9.25.
Ah, good. That's all this. All
Right. Gotcha.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So all this is if you right here, right? If you got 4, 7, right?
7.
and 7, and you see
A
that
quarter.
the just before the tick,
Yeah.
you come down, but in the middle of that one,
Yeah.
you go in 6 foot. 6 plus 4 is
10.
10. So you know you gotta go to 10. And then, whatever, you're just matching this thing right here.
Yeah,
Right.
7 point,
Yeah,
whatever.
7 point, whatever,
Right.
right? So we come here, without moving up. 10, and then a 7 right there.
Yeah.
And it's right in the
Right
middle of this thing right there.
Right there.
You just put it right there.
Yeah.
Alright?
And then when you make sure you put that in the hole, once I go ping.
Right, so now, watch this. If I put it here, if I put this here, this thing, I can be there.
Yeah.
Right.
So when I try to put it up, so when you see me put this up there, it's like that, you do an excavation, you're like, yeah. Don't waste that.
Yeah.
Right? Because the ground still,
It-
ground,
Still level.
whatever,
Yeah.
right?
Right.
And you start digging,
And you put it in the hole.
But
Right.
you know you gotta go at least 6 foot first.
Yeah.
Right? Now you ain't need nobody. Damn, if you have one little short fella helping you do your measurement, you know he only 4 foot high.
He can't jump in the hole.
He jump in the hole, and he can still get out. You need to take some more.
Yeah.
You got you. All right. So that's all it is, right? And then after that, like I said, once you get that first one, and you start doing it whatever direction, right? You need to go. Then what? Then, like I said, all you do now, you have the hole open, you can stop. When you put your bed in and stuff like that, you don't take it all the way to the stem. You leave a little gap, right?
Yeah.
Whatever. You just put this in the hole by that little gap you made. That's the last good place you probably confirm before you, because most times when the guy put stuff inside there, you tell him, okay, stop right there, we can bed right there. So you have that place, that's round, that's right to check, right? Most time you spray it, take this through the spray and we can stop right now. And then tomorrow, you come back, you stick that right there. Because you can put your bed in there, you know what I'm saying? You have a little space, in bed, and might not overflow, but you still get your bed in, stick it in the bed and go from down there, right? And then that's that, and then you just carry on. And whatever I read, then when you go there, it'll automatically be at the 10 points, or whatever the hell it is, because you come here at different level now tomorrow.
Yeah.
It ain't be 10 things tomorrow,
No.
right? But whatever that is tomorrow, or whatever time you move it, once you put that in the hole right there, that's all you need to do, okay? Alright, so she's still trying to catch stuff. Alright, so the best thing to do is go in the field and do it. Now, it's looking like it's trying to level off right now. Still really high.
Still on one side.
Hold on. So one other thing is, I say get the practice with it, okay?
Yeah.
I would say get set up outside and put one wood like a block on one side and a block over here. Alright? So right from it, so from this pipe it. Alright? The pipe it. You would come now and put the bridge in the middle and put it on the pipe. And then set it at 0. And then you go by the ramp, see the ramp, the tail ramp, and find out where on that ramp that elevation is. You understand what I'm saying? If you put on the ramp, when you put on that, you set it up, shoot the level as this, and then you just carry that by the ramp.
Yeah.
And you go by the let's see,
Okay.
see the ramp going up.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can just put on the ramp up,
Yeah.
and wherever that thing is, boom, that's it.
That's the
the level for the same thing, but you have it at 0, 0. Alright? And then the next thing you do is because the ramp sloping up, you can now set it up. You try to stick out. No, you set up, see, when you leave it right there and move it, you would shoot right here on the on top of the ramp, before it starts,
Yeah.
and you go on the end of the ramp to find out what the slope is. That thing will tell you what the slope is. So what you do, you just change it until you get the slope. You know, because when you do is you shoot it at one end first, right?
Yeah.
And then you go, the distance is supposed to be the same.
Right.
I will slope. It don't matter what time at the correct slope.
Yeah.
If I have it at the correct slope, if I put this at 5 foot, if I read that, it can still be as I go. You know, I should not change the read it.
Right.
Because the slope can change, you know what I'm saying?
Correct.
So you actually set this up at the top of the slope, top of them. Right? You would set it up on the top of the run and shoot it right there. And then as you go down, you should be able to catch the same slope. Alright? That's two exercises we do. Alright?
Alright.
So the first one is just putting this on 0, okay? So I'll do this and come back.
Okay.
Figure out how to get it to 0, 0,
Yeah.
and then 3%.
All right.
3% in the X or Y.
Yeah.
And
Next.
Wait till-
We ain't messing with why. We ain't messing with why.
As far as I'm concerned,
Yeah. Why don't exist?
I don't exist. Alright? So I'll take it off. Take it in the field. I'll play with it for a while, okay?
Don't let mark you later.
Right, so you cut it on, and to change the slopes, is this right, these buttons right here, okay? This red one, okay? Just down. Let it set up, only thing is just slip free. The property.
Yeah.
Put it in the ground, like in the ground.
Yeah, right.
The thing, like see how you said?
Yeah, yeah.
But I think I'll tighten this up.
Okay.
I shouldn't be able to do this with this.
Yeah.
I think that's what's causing the problem. Get a machine, get here, tighten this up.
Yeah.
Alright? And all I need y'all to do is figure out how to change the slope. Alright? You can change slope manually, or you can change slope with the remote control. Alright? Yeah? And then when you're finished figuring that out, yes, zero, keep it on 0, 0, and shoot on top of that pipe, and then give me a mark on the ramp where how high that pipe is. Don't move the pipe.
No, you ain't good, buddy.
So what you're gonna do, you're gonna get it, put it 0, 0, right? And obviously this has to be higher than the pipe, right?
Yeah.
Right? And then you'll put it on the pipe, and you'll bring this down somewhere else.
Yeah.
And then when you get it, you'll walk by the ramp and show me in your mark, all right, this is where the pipe is. This is where the level of the pipe is. Whatever, okay? Just anyway, that's one mark. Just it'll be the same location, right? Or whatever. Just get a chalk, could be chalk or anything that, or marker. Just put it on there, and that's that. Okay? That's the first step. After that, we do the next one. Where we have to slope it down. Because remember I tell you, hey, what you need is, hey, once I know what the slope is or what the thing is, when I said that, I should be able to just
Keep running.
But the main thing is, I can teach you how to put this up in, but it's best you learn. So manually, to get to 0, 0, show me at 0, 0. It's only a thing. What happens is that when I first button flashing, that's when you do it. Alright? And you just use the button right here, okay?
Alright.
The same red button change, okay?
Alright.
That's not.
Let me just quick one and come
Alright, cool.
Red, you press the red button.
The red button changes the thing.
Yeah.
So you cut it on, and then the red button to change the elevation. You want to go there, you can, and then you just press up or down, to left or right, so 1 or 0, whatever. And when you finish it, you press the enter. To say the enter and finish.
Alright.
So enter, cut on, that's right there, right?
That's it.
I talked to him one time.
That's
Oh,
right.
you enter.
Enter back. No. When you, let's take a kid, when you have the, say you have the 1,
Yeah.
and you want to
I
do
didn't.
1.
Set. You
You
just
said
said
it.
it.
That's how you said it, that's what
Yeah,
enter.
you just said it.
That's what you're doing.
Alright.
Alright? And then same thing.
Right.
And then move it up. Once you get it on the X movement,
Mhm.
you move left, right to get the number.
Yeah,
I understand.
Whatever. But you just press this
Okay,
to
no
get it,
problem.
okay?
Alright.
Alright.
Just a guide.
Just a guide,
Get the
right.
guide
Let me go get
And all you know is these right here.
and go. And then you get your points from there.
Yeah, okay? So stick it in the ground, get a tool, tighten this up. You just need to tighten up because it's slippery.
Carry this little case off.
Alright? Yeah, carry your case. And always when next thing, another rule, is when you carry your case outside, always flip it and close it. Always close it. Because if it rains, you now when you wash this here, and then you take this out here, and you put this in the what?
In the water.
Wet case.
Yeah.
And you might as well leave it you might as well leave it there. Okay? The main thing, the thing is waterproof, but if you put it in water, what happens? It doesn't get foggy.
Yeah.
Alright? Alright. Good. So I'll be back in now, okay?